here talking about an amazing product that I found, and it is called Wipe That Tush. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. So this is an amazing travel-friendly individual flushable wipe. Individually wrapped. They are certified flushable. They're fragrance free. And you'll see when I get it unwrapped, it's a pretty nice size wipe. It's hypoallergenic. It's infused with aloe. A nice size. It does have some stretch to it, but of course it will rip. It's meant to break down easily. But it is very convenient when you're traveling, on the go, something that fits into your pocket, it fits into your wallet, it'll fit into your purse or a small bag. Not bringing a whole bunch of attention to the wrapper. I do like that they're individually wrapped, so I can put as many into my bag that I want. So this package comes with 30 wipes. Again, the name of the company is called Wipe That Tush. They have other products as well. I do like that it is hyperallergenic, it's infused with aloe, and it is certified flushable. And if you like this product or would like to get more information or either order the product, just click the link below. Bye-bye for now.